righty, welcome back, everybody. Now we're going to do is EIGRP, quick and dirty, same way. There's going to be a single autonomous system because EIGRP is based on autonomous systems. Real world, you have multiple autonomous systems, but for testing purposes, especially for your CCNA or Network Plus certification, single autonomous system EIGRP for IPv4 is what we're going to do. So let's get straight into the lab. And oh, I forgot to share it. Let me share it real quick. Entire screen. Second, there we go. And we're sharing. Boom. There it is. Full screen it. All right. So this should look familiar. I haven't gotten rid of the last protocol that we got configured quickly, which is RIP version 2. But I'm going to go ahead and configure EIGRP right over it. We can do that because why? Give me an extra Y. All right. Give me an extra Y. Here's your RIP. It's right there. Because the administrative distance is 120, right? Where EIGRP is 90. So let's get that done. Router, EIGRP. Well, we're going to use 100, but there it is right there. You got from 1 to 65,535, so only 100. Now this, the way you're going to do it, I guess I'll make it real world, right? Whatever real world means. Network, and then we have the 10.1.1.4. 0, 0, 0, using the wildcard mask, 0.0.0.3, right? And then we have the network, 192.168.1.0 with the wildcard mask, 0.0.0.255. No need to do no auto summary. Do WR based on the version. Watch, do show IP protocols. And you can see that automatic summarization is disabled. That's right. So we don't have to worry about it. If you type it, is it going to kill you? No. All right. Are they going to discount any points? Doubt it. All right. It's not going to do anything. All right. So, but depending on the version of the iOS that you have, that's why you can type it or not type it. So the show IP protocols command or do show IP protocols, depending where you're at, please know that. So you know if it's disabled already and you have to worry about doing auto summary. So router, EIGRP 100, single AS, remember. Network, there's no LAN here, so 10.1.1.4, 0.0.0.3. Let's wait a little bit. Whoa, boom, quick, right? Made a neighbor adjacency. Let's up arrow that, and we'll do 8. That's the one to my right. Do WR. I'm done there. Router 2, and then the last router, router 3. All right, same old, same old. Config T, router EIGRP. Ooh, spell it correctly, EIGRP. 100 network, okay, that's 10.1.1.8. Oops, 1.8 0.0.0.3. Let's wait a little bit. Boom, there it is. Up arrow. Let's type network. 192.168.2.0 0.0.0.255. No need for an auto summary. Do WR. Let's take a look at the routing table. Maybe I did it again. Swipe her out, and boom, no, I didn't. So now we have D's, right? That means dual, right? Well, if you look up here, D means EIGRP. These are your legend codes, by the way. All right. If you ask that question on a test, what are your legend codes? Well, there they are. Okay. So I am learning about, again, the 1.0 network. I'm also learning about the 10.1.4. The default administrative distance of EIGRP is 90. It's lower than RIP. Lower than RIP. Therefore, I win. I'm more believable. I'm more trustworthy. I'm going to use that. This is a metric. This is a metric that it calculates based on bandwidth and delay. And I'm learning it from the same interface that I learned it before, my neighbor, on my interface. So what do? We test. How do we test? We ping. Oh, by the way, let me just show you this. So I don't think I showed it to you before. Show IP protocols. And you can see that automatic summarization is disabled because of the version of the iOS is greater than 15. So let's go in here and ping. Well, let me do it from another computer so you don't think, oh, he already pinged from that computer. So So we're going to come over here and we're going to ping 192.168.2.1. And we're pinging across. Obviously, there's no ARP. All right, I already did it. I did it too fast, so it was still there. But that's it. That's all there is to configuring EIGRP, single autonomous system understand that it's using bandwidth and delay by default. Okay. And based on autonomous systems, a hybrid protocol. All right, not to get too deep into it, but it's a mixture of a link state because it does triggered updates. It's just one of the attributes, and distance vector. One of the reasons that it's distance vector because it's still based on hop counts. Maximum hop count 255. By default, it's set to 100. Okay, and most importantly, EIGRP is what? Cisco proprietary. No matter what Google or anybody else tells you, it is Cisco proprietary. So that's why EIGRP is just for Cisco. See you in the next one.